Life is beautiful with Teacher Claire. It's been a while, kids and parents, but now we're here for another story. RAZ Stories with Teacher Claire. Enjoy! Reading A to Z, Level Book H, Blizzard Blackout. Focus question. What do you learn about Ellie and her family during the winter storm? Write your answer in the comment section. Okay? And here are the words to know: normal, power, pretend, spooky, squeezed, storm. Ellie looked out the window. Snow was coming down all over the city. The lights were out as far as she could see. Why are all the lights off? Asked her little brother, Ben. The storm made the power go out, said Mom. Dad lit candles. He put them all around the apartment. Ellie hugged Ben. Just think! We can pretend we live in a time before power, she said. The family played board games until the candles melted. The power was still out the next day. What about school? Asked Ben. The school is closed, Dad said with a tired smile. Ellie grabbed Ben's hand. Just think, we can spend the day doing whatever we like, she said. The family told spooky stories in front of the fire. The power was still out the next day. I'm cold, Ben said with a frown. Everyone looked unhappy. Ellie brought out extra coats and blankets. Just think, we can wear our favorite coats all at the same time, she said. The family squeezed into as much clothing as possible. Suddenly, all of the lights turned on. The power was back. The family cheered. Just think, now everything can finally go back to normal, Ellie said. And that's the end of the story. Enjoy, kiddos. Glossary. Normal. Similar to what is common or expected. Power. The source or supply of energy, often electricity. Pretend. To make believe or imagine. Spooky. Strange and scary. Squeezed. Forced on or together by pressing, pushing, or pulling. Storm. Bad weather with strong winds, rain, snow, or thunder. Now you know. Thanks for watching. Please share.